In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now if you can't see microphone icon at the top right corner, click on this gear one instead. Select voice typing on the left and hit the gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. To stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. If you want to, you can also tap on your microphone and click on tiny icon right next to it. Then you can use voice typing from this toolbar. Operate your microphone the same way. Delete text on the go thanks to this button with an X. Add emojis thanks to emoji icon by tapping on it, selecting your emojis and closing this keyboard by tapping on this X at the top left corner. To access some keyboard settings, click on this icon at the left. And finally, to go back to standard keyboard, click on keyboard 1, also on the left. If you don't want to use your toolbar here, just hold it and drag it wherever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!